Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In today's video, guys, I am going to be doing the wig application portion of this look here. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Hi guys, how are you doing today? So right here, guys, I'm starting out with freshly washed hair, and as you can see, I have them in braids. Actually, the root is braided and then the ends are twisted, and that is just for me to help with my takedown process, to make my takedown process easier. And also it helps when I braid the root of my hair and then twist the ends. It also helps with to keep the hair from being puffy. Yeah, so what I'm doing right here is taking each plait and doing a kind of a flat twist or a cane roll kind of concept, just to gather the hair or make the hair flat, so that it will be better. I'll be better able to apply the wig onto my head, because when you're applying wigs or a lace front wig, you need to have your hair be as flat underneath as possible. Then when I'm done, I'm going to gather all the ends and do a plait and just tuck that underneath into the hair at the back. So right here, I'm going to use a nude color stocking cap to cover my hair, and it will also provide some additional support in keeping my hair down as well. I feel like if you're new to wearing lace wigs, this application would be best for you, because it will save you from having to color in the lace on the lace wig with your foundation. So you need an edge control, and you also need a got to be glued gel. Right here, I'm applying shine and jam to my edges just to slick them down a bit so I can get them out of the way. You can also use edge control if you have edge control, but this is what I had on hand at the moment, so I'm just gonna use that. You can find links to these products, guys, in my description box. Remember to check my description box. Now I'm getting ready to apply the wig, and right here you just see I am combing it out, or combing through the hair, and I'm showing you that the wig comes with 4 combs attached to the wig. So there's one at the back, 2 at the sides, and 1 in the middle. So now I'm just securing the wig on my head. Guys, please ensure you secure your wigs. You don't want your wig falling off in public. Now I'm getting ready to apply the got to be glued gel to my edges. If you have the got to be freezing spray, that would be good as well, but I feel like the freezing spray is more for, like, if you want to keep on the wig for a couple days, it would be better to use the freezing spray, I guess. But the got to be glued gel, I feel like it's better for me to just use it, and because, as you know, guys, I remove my wigs every night. I don't sleep in them, so the got to be glued gel works perfect for me. To make things a little bit more easier for you guys, don't apply the gel all over your forehead all at once. Do one side first and then do the other side, because that's what I started out doing and it wasn't working out for me. To help speed up the drying process of the gel, you can use a blow dryer on cool temperature to help with the drying process, just to speed it up a little bit. Now it's time to slay those edges. Well, I did my best anyways. So I'm just giving myself a side part right here. Now I'm applying concealer to the part to make it look more like scalp. Then I'm gonna do my makeup and finish up with my hair after. Alrighty, makeup all done. Time for the finishing touch. Right here I'm just trying to use the flat iron to flatten the hair a little bit more to make it not look too puffy at the top. If you have some hair wax, you can also use some on this area as well to help further flatten the hair. I'm also adding some heat protectant to the hair to not only protect the hair from the heat, but also to give it some shine. Yeah, because that's what I had closest to me at the moment, so I was just using it.
He got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star, baby, I'm lighting up. Like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go.
Now to dress up the look a bit, I decided to try a couple of different hair bands. But I wasn't really feeling this one, so I changed it. Yeah, I think I like this one a lot better. What do you think, guys? Yeah, I think this is it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.
Now